Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for January 19th and February 2nd. First, I'm going to talk about the system that will be affecting the east. We have a system here that will be organizing in the plains. And then this is a GFS. That's the European. So they're similar there. You can see we have snow and ice here. Possible storms, heavy rain to the south. And then we go to 7 a.m. on Saturday, excuse me. And we have snow and freezing rain here moving into parts like Pittsburgh areas. And then we have snow across Michigan, Washington. We have heavy rain for Chicago, areas to the south, into the Tennessee Valley. And we look at the GFS. The European is slower, moving the precipitation eastward. Then we go to 7 p.m. on Saturday, and you can see now we have snow across northern New Jersey, eastern Pennsylvania, and to the north, rain just to the south. I would say like from Long Island southward is rain, and we'll have heavy rain here. Now this is a fast system. It's moving up to the northeast, to the west and north of the major cities, and there's no secondary component to the storm as over the southeast, so this will be like a warmer storm moving in. And so then we look at the GFS, the European, kind of similar. And then we go to 7 a.m. and then it's out of here, and then the cold air moves back with the 540 line moving to the south across central Jersey, southern Jersey, into Maryland, parts of the Tennessee Valley. Okay, so it's supposed to turn to rain as of this time. We'll see how that materializes. Okay, back to the forecast. This is for January 19th to 23rd. And you can see here we have upper high over the Bering Sea and western Alaska. We'll move east and west central Canada and merge with the southwest ridge, leading to a positive PNA with deep trough reaching the coast. The polar vortex remains strong, and there is warming across the Asian side at 10 millibars. It's just having trouble trying to punch down with this strong polar vortex. Strong westerly winds doesn't allow it to come down. So heights remain below normal across Greenland, with positive height anomalies just to the east. I'm going to show you that because at the beginning of the map, you can see the positive height anomalies to the east. So models a pretty good agreement. And winter will make a comeback with the storm system affecting the east, and we'll have temperatures near to below normal for early next week behind the exiting system. And temperatures will be above normal across the plains and the upper Mississippi Valley next Wednesday and Thursday. Precipitation after this will be limited in the east to around the Great Lakes and across Florida early in the period. And then we'll have a Pacific front. Let me go back here. That'll bring rain and mountain snows with lighter amounts possible across the Cascades and Sierra on Tuesday. So here's our system. If you could look over here in the west, rain and snow, high elevation snows in the mountains. And then we go forward east. We go to Wednesday. You can see we still have rain, snow, and mixed precipitation. And by midweek, we'll have Gulf moisture that will increase rain chance from Texas northward and northeastward as a front approaches the area from the northwest. Okay, so you can see that there. All right, now for the period for January 24th to 28th. Positive height anomalies forecast across Canada with negative anomalies across southern U.S. The MJO is recently strengthened, which is Hans phase shifts east across the western Pacific, and this will tend to favor below normal temperatures across the east central states. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting, wrong map. above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees above normal, below normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. And we have above normal precipitation for the southern plains with the probability of occurrence 40%. Now we're going to look at the period for January 29th to February 2nd. And the ensemble means continue to depict a building ridge at the high latitudes of North America. Also, a more expensive area of above normal heights are expected farther to the west over Alaska and could eventually lead to modified Arctic air shifting south from Canada. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal, below normal temperatures here, forecast anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. Precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for much of this area, and the probability of occurrence 35%. And then we have above normal precipitation for much of this region with the probability of occurrence 35 to 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for January 19th to February 2nd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.